This video is to show you how and why to use Inventory Template. Inventory Template, like Customer Template, is a template we use to set items up, set information up that we want to inherit in every inventory item or every new customer that we create. I like to use those features, especially in a new customer that I set up, because it actually will in some cases save them some money. Reason being that we take every new inventory item and every new customer and make them taxable. That way I would rather have a customer tell me, hey, I'm supposed to be tax free, rather than finding out at the end of the month that there are items that I should have charged tax for that I didn't, and then that tax is going to have to come out of my pocket or my customer's pocket. And I don't want the merchants being upset with me, and I don't want money coming out of my pocket. So it's a simple thing to set up, and keeps you from having that problem. So if you go to File, System Defaults, Inventory Template, you're going to see the Inventory Template screen. We're going to click on Add, Template number 1. You can have multiple templates, but we're just going to do one for right now. And now I can put in whatever template information I want. If everything is going to be in a particular location, manufacturer, model, department, status, size, category, whatever, I can put that information in here, and every new item would have that. I can always change it during setup, but it would start out with that template. Levels, same thing. I'm kind of not too sure about quantity on hand. It seems to me like every new item would have a different quantity, but you could set that up with some quantity level if you wanted to. Same thing with min-max, pre-order or reorder, round to, and all of that. This might have more functionality than quantity on hand. On the pricing tab, again, excuse me, I don't see pricing being so similar between items that this would come into play, but maybe it would. Different things for different customers. And so now I'm going to make it overall taxable, and I'm going to turn on all the tax rates just to be sure. Vendor, if almost everything was coming from the same vendor, you could set up a vendor ID here, and then that would be imported and inherited into all new items. Notes, the same thing. We can put in some notes here that would be inherited. So at this point I can say save, and that template would be saved and would come into use the next time I make an inventory item. So if I go into inventory screen, I'm going to create a new inventory item. I'm going to go to add, and here it's asking me if I want to copy the highlighted inventory record. That'll copy pretty much every piece of data from the highlighted record, which is the record that was under the screen when I clicked on add. Again, I could put any record I wanted under there if I wanted to use that feature, but in this case I don't, so I'm going to say no. It puts in the next sequential barcode available and new record, and I would change that based on what I needed. But when I went to the pricing tab, that tax information would be inherited and would show up here, and then I could make whatever other changes I would want to, and then save that new inventory item. So that's it for this particular training video. Look for more videos to come. Thank you.